Okay.
So many bubbles. Just a little bit.
Dito kasi. Wow, very good naman.
Mommy, you need to just a little bit.
Mommy will do it.
Thank you.
Don't put too much water. Yan. The next one. It's okay na. It's clean na. It's okay na, ate. It's clean na. Wow. Oh, the bottom. The bottom. This one. The bottom. This one. Ayan. Ayan.
Mommy, can you help me? This one is itchy.
Which one? Which one? This one?
No, this the head.
Head.
Ito.
This one. Ito.
Ito front oh.
I think you have kuto.
Yeah.
Mommy will check if you have kuto.
Yeah.
Oh no, you don't have kuto. Finish na yun eh.
Wait lang.